Hi everybody, here again for another release roundup. This week I've got 4 exciting ones. First up, we've got installing skills globally. So not every skill that you want to use, it makes sense to install in a single repo. Sometimes you have personal workflows or preferences, things that span multiple projects. Now with Tessl, you can install your skills globally and they'll be shared across all of your projects and you don't have to worry about disrupting your teammates' workflows. Second, we've got watch local. This is a new command line flag for working with Tessl. If you're ever in the process of developing a skill that you've installed in many agents, you've probably felt the pain of making a change, copying it over to every agent's folder, then restarting all of your sessions to load the new changes. Now with the watch local flag, when you make a change to a skill that you're working on with Tessl, we'll automatically sync all those changes across all of your agents. Third, we've added GitHub badges for your eval scores. So if you've done the work to make your skill truly excellent, we now give you a way to add a badge to your GitHub page, showing any potential users the quality of your skill and helping you sort of build confidence that what you've done is worth installing. Finally, we've made a change to the way we score skills on our registry. So we have 2 types of evaluations. We have reviews, which check your skills against standard best practices, and we have task evals, which will run agents through simulated scenarios to measure your skills' impact on actual real-world results. We've now added a single aggregate score that blends these two in an intuitive single number that you and your agents can look at when deciding whether or not a skill is right for your workflows. That's it for now. We'll be back soon with more exciting updates.